Solidscape is recognized as the 3D wax printer for the jewelry industry, providing the most cost-effective solution to print models for lost wax casting into silver or precious metals. Solidscape wax printers have been the choice of manufacturers and designers from around the world thanks to the high precision and materials castability, impacting the whole manufacturing process, from designing to carving to casting to finishing and setting of stones, with a dramatic reduction of time to market and generating immediate return on investment. Jewelers design models of any complexity. The extraordinary flexibility of creation comes from a support material which is automatically generated and dissolvable. It's all built into the system and compatible with any CAD software. Wax printing replaces hand carving, allowing jewelers to deliver models with the highest precision, superior surface finish, and at lower costs, faster. The model material is fully castable, just like traditional jeweler's wax, with 100% burnout and no shrinkage, eliminating risk of cracking in the investment. Wax models have unmatchable surface finish, eliminating the need for post-processing of finished parts, saving labor and precious material. Precision, castability, surface finish, ease of use, quality, consistency, fast return on investment. This is Solidscape. Solidscape. Enable your imagination.
Personally, what excites me the most about being able to design this way and manufacture this way is being able to see my designs being born real time. I can come in the morning and I can see them finished on the board, and I know within an hour or two I'm going to have them in my hand.
My wife, Alexandria, actually had a vision. She understood the nature of fabricating jewelry by hand and also had a great sense for design, always has, and she just knew that it would be a great tool.
I've seen some incredible changes in the past decade in our industry and with Bostonian jewelers. We started making jewelry by hand, sketching on a piece of paper, and now we're using high-tech equipment, 3D CAD, solidscape, casting. I mean, everything is happening is very efficient and very quick.
Allowing the client to be able to see a phenomenal rendering of what their item is going to look like before we even go into production with it, that just makes it in every way. No more mysteries behind, what is my item going to look like? What's this ring, you know, I'm not quite sure. I'm nervous about what it's going to look like, and I'm not sure whether, you know, so that factor's gone. When you work with a client on a step-by-step basis and they're able to see the layout of their gemstones to their specifications, to their finger size, and then to see a final rendering in the end that looks like literally a finished snapshot of their piece of jewelry that they're going to have. Yeah, I mean, that's just, it's mind-blowing. You're unlimited in what you can offer your client, and when you're in that kind of a position, it's almost impossible to lose that sale.
You know, we had been outsourcing all of our models for a number of years, and we're looking at the market and seeing what's going to be best for our business, what's going to be best for our designs. So we really did the research and came to solidscape. I mean, that really encompasses a solution for our designs as well as our manufacturing.
Phenomenal. Phenomenal. What it would cost us to produce 10 models is probably 30 to 40% more than the equipment costs to own on a monthly basis. So that's a no-brainer.
Bringing everything in-house, really, it makes everything so much faster. You're saving money. You have more control. You have more control over everything, every aspect of manufacturing, from the quality of your cast, to the quality of your build, to the quality of your design. You're doing everything in-house under your own rules and your own game.
If you're having a single model built for you that costs you anywhere from $80 to $120, which is probably the norm out there, and you can build 6 models or 5 models on one run, do the math. It's quite simple.
The Bentley we're presenting now here, it is made by our customer Misco Models. They're based in Germany, so that means the development also of that car is made in Germany. It took around 18 months to produce the master model, and it's a 1931 Bentley 4.5-liter blower. It's a very rare car. Something around 30 to 35 of these original car, still exist. The car we do have here is a 1/5 scale. It's highly accurate. It is made out of 7,300 parts. Custom-made screws. There's no part that has been used out of stock. The quality that we could reach now with the solidscape systems could not be reached before. All the technologies that has been used before, all kind of rapid prototyping, CNC milling, handwork and so on, has never given the quality we have now. Now he's able to get a much higher quality of the printed parts, of custom parts he's using for the machine. It's faster to evaluate. That means the model that he can use afterwards in production. And the quality he's able to reach now is, I would say, the best in the world.
You know, that stuff is awesome, let me tell you. Solidscape plus cast, fantastic material, great castability, durability. It's 50% less time on the board once you're done with the model. And literally about the same amount of time less on a dewaxing process.
Their waxes are 100% burnout, which was unbelievable. We would just take it right after dewaxing, put it into the tree, put it right back into the oven, burn it, cast it, clean it, give it to the customer. It was that easy for us. When we were moving, we had no choice but to send out the casting. The caster looks at it and goes, wow, you guys spend a lot of time on this, huh? It's only a couple hours, but the quality that they see the difference between the Solidscape machine waxes and all the other waxes, it's huge.
I was quite happy. I called Solidscape to compliment them on the success of their new material that they put out and to thank them as well.